Hi, I'm Jagmeet Singh Malhotra. I'm working as Vice President with Royal Bank of Scotland and I'm taking care of their IT services department.
My name is Moitri Majumdar and I did my MTech from BIT Meshra Ranchi and currently I'm working with NIIT GIS Limited.
My name is Vaibhav Gupta. I'm a part of WMP 14 batch and I'm working with a telecom communication firm. I'm into marketing role and I handle marketing and sales part of Idea Cellular basically.
My name is Ashwini Kant and I've got 7 years of experience. Currently I'm working for Honda Cars and I'm working in quality engineering as a test engineer.
Myself Vibhor Garg. I'm working as a team lead in InfoEdge India Limited. It's a Naukri.com group. I'm working on the CRM modules of the Jeevansathi, basically the sales part, handling of the sales part.
My name is Dheeraj Gupta and I have an experience of 8 years in information technology services, primarily in the areas of telecommunications, retail and banking sectors.
I am Ashish Goel. I am working as project lead in Landis & Gyr Limited, an energy measurement and solution powerhouse across the world.
Why I joined WMP, like when I reached my mid-career level with having an experience of 8 years, I thought that how should I link the business with technology, like how should business be derived by technology. And when you reach at this level, you interact with people, you interact with clients, you come to know about the business processes, you know about the profitability, you know about the things that are going in the market. So it is very important for you to know and understand that, and you should leverage the skills that you acquire in a program like WMP.
Actually, I thought of joining WMP. There's a story behind it. Actually, I was having an IT background, and in my since I'm working with the PSU, with the NTPC, so I was given a job of finance department. So since I was shifted to finance department, I found a gap between my knowledge and the requirements which was required there in my job. So I thought of doing an MBA course, and after narrowing down all the best management colleges in NCR, I found that WMP was the best.
I always wanted to do an MBA. I tried to do it through CAP but could not get selected. Then this was the opportunity which came up, and then IIM Lucknow launched this program in Noida. When I'm living in Noida, so it's a very good opportunity to come do my MBA there. And because the timings are in the evening hours, Saturday, which suits my professional life also. So I chose this, and this was from the IIM Lucknow brand. So the quality of that content is assured.
I find myself very lucky to join this program, IIM Lucknow. It's given me a chance to enhance my skill further. Being a technical profile, I want to change my profile from being more technical to something management, because in our technical field we have so much into the details of experiment and everything. But at a time we need to discuss with our customer what actually they want.
When I was working with Olam International, I did work with many young MBAs. They're from IIMs, most of them, and they were pretty smart and taking the company forward in terms of marketing strategy, and they were talking very good stuff which probably were not taught to us in accountancy field. So it inspired me, and it was in 1998-99 when I thought I should be in MBA school. So, but it didn't work out because I was full-time working. And when I came to know in 2000 through my nephew that he has gone through this course, WMP, and I discussed with him, and I was very excited. I said, oh, it is so near to my workplace and in Delhi and with IIM brand. So that was the USP, and I thought I can now fulfill my dream of doing my MBA, which would give me a very structured thinking about management, leadership.
I still remember June 2011 when I came to this campus for the very first time for group discussion and interview, and that time my aspirations were completely different. I wanted to join a big corporate family in this industry, maybe Booz Allen or maybe Barclays Bank and something else. But during the course in 2.5 years, my aspiration got changed when I met different professors here and when I interacted with them. Slowly I am moving away from corporate culture and my aim in life got changed. I am moving into now academic and planning to do my PhD from same IIM campus. So that will be my next step forward.
There are many things which I have learned here, but overall from my experience here doing MBA at WMP, IIMS Lucknow, what I cherish and what I value the most is time management and prioritizing the things. Here in this WMP course, we have to manage our family life, our work life, and our student life. Grueling work, grueling hours of office, and then making project reports, assignments, case studies, preparing for quizzes, exams, all this, and then for discussions and everything. It was very, very tough. While juggling all these three things in just short span of 2.5 years, I've learned a lot how to prioritize things, how to manage your times. For instance, if I have to say by prioritizing, I learned that the best way I have learned is to prioritize things is by just answering one question. Which is the thing which you can say sorry easily to?
WMP for me has been a consuming and creative experience. The creative approach towards the problem solving and the nuances of the pathfinding has been stupendous. WMP, I can say like having a world-class faculty, world-class classroom where I got to learn lots of things from my experienced batchmates. If I can say an average experience, which is again a 7 to 8 years for all of our batch, has been really given me lots of insight for the loss of program and loss of the cases which we had discussed, which is of an international level. We got to know like lots of, as a tech guy, like I was having a one concept for any of the problem, but here I can get to know like, n number of approaches, those who are coming from different backgrounds. So this approach was really very confident approach for me also, and I can say like I'm very confident enough in any of the organization to take any kind of leadership role. I must say, those who want to become a future leader and powerful manager must join this program.
There are a couple of things it is very hard to say because it is a long duration of the course. But I think the various group presentations that we gave taught us a lot actually. And sometimes we have to prepare the presentation in a very short time. So those things I think are great learning experiences for me.
I think the work timing and the office timing was synchronizing sometimes, so there was a clash, and managing both the office and the work and handling people in office and telling them or making them okay, I'm going to college and handling the office work also was one of the difficult or nitty-gritty situations which we have to handle. And I think from this, in last 2.5 years, I learned the time management or what to prioritize at what time was one of the key takeaways.
I come from a media background and I work with an organization called Times Television Network, which is part of the Times Group. And we have been living in a cocoon thinking that being in the media, we know everything about every industry and every sector. And that was a myth that WMP and IIM Lucknow was able to break right in the first term. So looking back over the last 2.5 years, there have been many such myths that have gotten broken. And yes, one sees that the transformation from being a little confident, at times a little overconfident, to becoming a little more modest and a little more receptive has been one of the key value additions that I find to myself after WMP.
The main reason and the main learning which I had through a B school was to learn from others' mistakes and how to increase the chances of success. First is negotiation. As an engineer, I have been notoriously a poor negotiator. So I used to negotiate like I'm fighting a war. Either I'm going to win or the other person. What business school has actually taught me that there is a science behind negotiation. And if used properly, it can be very persuasive in life. Second thing which I've learned is economics. So rather than just saying that it's needed and we need to buy, we need to understand the language of costs. We need to understand the language of sunk cost, opportunity costs, and the prices which have been set. Third thing is organizational behavior. As we are moving from a government bureaucratic structure to a more flatter, privately owned structures, so it's very important to understand the way we communicate. It's very important to understand the group dynamics. It's important to build teams and build teams which are committed towards the ideas of the organization.
WMP, I have learned a lot about data marketing research. So it helped me to understand the qualitative and quantitative research. So in my business, in my organization also, so while working on an analytics solution, it helped me a lot to understand the qualitative concepts out of it. So what are the analytics solutions we are making, and understanding the customer insights out of it. So it helped me a lot to applying my concepts of qualitative and quantitative research onto my business areas.
So what we have learned here, advanced strategic theories, has helped us to devise different levels of strategies at different levels, like corporate levels and business level. And the hands-on experience which we have got here on change management frameworks has enabled us to implement these revised strategies which we have devised for our companies and implement it effectively.
So one of the biggest anecdote I would say is the corporate finance and valuation. I think in this global era of mergers and acquisitions, this is one skill set which every global manager needs to have. So the basic facets of corporate finance and valuation and how these are being utilized in this in the global scenario are definitely must takeaways for every manager, I would say. Other than thing, I was also very impressed with a number of marketing courses, specifically the customer relationship management and how the world is shifting basically from a customer relationship management to a customer experience. I was highly fascinated with that, and I'm sure the world is basically converging to that.
It's a very, very enriching peer experience. I may say the average experience of my batch is close to 10 years. I'm having guys which are at the topmost level in big MNCs and other companies. The learning which you get among the class, not only from the faculty, is immense, and this actually adds a lot of value to your career. And I'm really able to implement it in my career as well. I have switched my job twice while doing this course. I've switched my job once while within the from one organization to other. I was a part of Tata Docomo. Now I've shifted to Idea Cellular, and within marketing I have now shifted my profile as well. From a core marketing job, I'm now more into core marketing plus sales kind of a profile. So it is adding a lot of value. So this is something which is a takeaway, and it has literally helped me.
Actually, everything really it is a different experience for me. Whether it is the real-time, real case studies these people talk about, or they talk about their own experiences from the practical aspects of the business. So the process has given a lot of insights, which actually coupled with our own experience in sales and marketing domain. So I'm really able to gain a lot.
So the key learning, the financial subjects which were taught by the professors, was mostly case-based methods. They have brought us all the cases, renowned cases of the Harvard Business School, like the WorldCom and the Satyam and all this Kohler case. And on the conceptual sides, the professors has recommended us the books which was world-renowned books, and the books which are authored by the very good professors. The number 3 attributes or strength of this institute is the institutional infrastructure. If I see the library contains all world-class books on management and related issues, and similarly the the computer lab, which runs 24/7. It is open for all, and anybody can come, and it maintains a very good database of industry as of now.
First of all, it's a unique course which bridges the gap between practical experience and academia. To be able to be in the same space, there are people who are CFOs, there are people who are vice presidents, who are directors, and people who have have less number of experience. So it's a unique experience in a way that it brings people from across different backgrounds, different industry. There are people from manufacturing, there are people from finance, there are people from information technology. My horizons were broadened. I got the flavor of finance knowledge, I got the flavor of HR, I got the flavor of operations, and as well as communication.
The best thing that I learned from the WMP is looking beyond the obvious. Means you always have limited horizon, but this course actually forces you to think beyond what is given to you. The information that is available, you are made to think much beyond that, so that you can understand the surrounding, the environment. The commitment that the faculty shows you here is immeasurable. It is so, they are so committed to their work, to their profession, that you feel so inspired, that you really aspire to be like them, that even if you are able to be a 50% of them, you feel like you have achieved something.
Managing classes, regular evening classes, along with my job, this rigor, it was extremely strenuous. But today I'm happy because everything has went well. A lot of value addition which I did to myself. I broadly would like to mention 3 points. First of all, this course has given me a vision, a perspective, where I can understand and appreciate various viewpoints for a given situation. Secondly, this course has given me all the tools and techniques, framework to analyze a business scenario and develop strategies. Third, to top it all, most important, it has helped me to develop a strong value system.
This course helped me to get a feeling about the problems faced by the people in the fields. Besides the way of decision making which you needs at the time, and the key area to be taken care while making decisions in various kind of fields. It's a fantastic course, and I really love to have this because it give me a chance to be a multitasker along with the time management too for myself.
It's hands-on learning, which I say that that is the key takeaway from this course. Whatever we have learned in this the entire course, we can apply the same at our workplace. So that is the most important key takeaway, because we learn and at the same time we can apply in our day-to-day work at our workplace. So it's like what a vision in action.